Hey everyone, and welcome to the 21st video of this playlist in which I will show you 30 CSS properties in 30 days. And in this video we will be discussing about the property called filter. Okay, so you have probably heard about this property before, and let's just explore this property. It is a very fun property to explore. So let's just, before starting this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to Techie Web Dev and press all notifications so you will never miss any future videos. Now let's continue with our topic. Jump into it, and before starting, you can see in our website we have a simple p tag, and I have given some styling as you can see here. Okay, nothing advanced here. Now let's just see the filter property. So as you can see here, you have to write filter, and you can see many more sub properties here. Okay, you can see like many properties: brightness, blur, grayscale, invert, opacity, many more. So let's just see brightness first. If I'll just write 1 in the brackets, you will see nothing will happen because it is the original value. And if I'll just write 0, you can see your element will turn pitch black, and you can increase the brightness from 1 to 2. Let's say I have given 20. As you can see here, the brightness is just increased and the background color has just disappeared. So let's just write 10 over here, and it is also disappear. Let's write 5. As you can see here, you can barely see the background color. Let's see 7. As you can see here, it is just completely gone. Let's say 99. You can see, and that's how you can like set the brightness of any of the element in your website. And let's see contrast, and 1 is your original value. If I'll just write 0, you can see the contrast is working, and if I'll just increase it till 10, you can see the contrast is working. Okay, like it is like the background color is very dark, not dark, very bright blue. If I just increase to 100, you can see it reaches the maximum value. So yeah, you can change the contrast. Let's see grayscale. So grayscale, you can see 1 is the maximum value you can get in a grayscale, and 0 is the original one. Okay, 0 is original, no grayscale here. And if I'll just increase it to 0.5, you can see now 50% is gray. And if I just write 1, so everything is now black and white. Okay, now if I'll just, let's see another one called invert. So if I'll just write 1 here, you can see the image is completely inverted, and you can also like define it as a negative image. Okay, and if I'll just write 0, 0 is the original value. Okay, so you can play between 0 and 1. You can write any value between 0 and 1. As you can see 5, it will just like completely gray. If I'll just 7.7, you can see barely see it, and 1 is the original value. So this is invert, and yes, you get the point. Like many more properties are here. Let's see one more property, which is opacity. So 1 is the original one, which is 100% opacity, and if I'll just write 0, the element will be gone. Okay, because the opacity is now 0. If I'll just write 0.5, you can see it is 50% there. So yeah, you get the point. Like there are many properties in filter. You can change your elements, okay, on basis what you want in your website. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one.